Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you SiriusXM how to cancel online. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To cancel your SiriusXM subscription online, what you need to do is first head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar simply type in SiriusXM. Then once you're inside the home page, what you need to do is tap on this three horizontal bar and then simply log into your account. Now once logged into your account, simply tap on the three horizontal bar once again on the top right corner of the screen, then scroll down and navigate to the subscriptions. Then once inside subscriptions, locate your active subscription and click cancel subscription. Then once done, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your cancellation. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.